New York City, on January 26, 2026, officers from the 107th Precinct were dispatched to a residence on Parsons Boulevard following a 911 call from the family of a 22-year-old man experiencing a mental health crisis. The family reported seeking medical assistance. However, the situation changed rapidly once officers arrived.
You coming?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. No, you're fine, you're fine. Good.
Baba, no!
Hey! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Move! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Drop the...
While making contact inside the home, the man suddenly armed himself with a large kitchen knife and advanced toward the officers. Despite police backing away and attempting to create distance to de-escalate the situation, the individual continued to close in, forcing one officer to discharge his firearm to stop the immediate threat. The man was transported to the hospital in critical but stable condition, and the incident was referred for investigation in accordance with established procedures.
Drop the... Drop the... Shots fired.